Hi, this is Brandon from Big Review TV, and we are here at Auto Detailing Austin. If you're looking for a place to get your car clean and detailed, this is the place to check out. Come on.
Well, Auto Detailing Austin has been in business for about 5.5 years, since 2012. Quality for me, I mean, not only taking the time to educate oneself. I come from a very different background, I feel, compared to most of the folks who I see, in this particular industry. Taking the time to actually study the chemistry of, vehicles and, what are upholsteries made of and the different types of synthetic surfaces and, which types of chemicals can you use, should you use, what's optimal, so quality being in the sense of being well educated in the approach to cleaning a vehicle. We've come up with a very advanced approach, that is able to specifically identify, different stains, things of that nature, without using, massive amounts of stuff. You specifically hone in on different things, and you get better results. The quality of the detail is there. Quality as well is, taking the time. That's a major differentiating factor that you'll see, across the board. You can go on Craigslist and find a detailer. You can go to us and get your car properly detailed. And then, of course, it all, once again comes back down to, the customer. So that's another major aspect of quality. Getting to know the people that you're doing business with. Understanding, what their needs are, making people feel proud. And it's if you've ever had a car properly detailed, I mean, you'll notice that when you're driving that fresh car, you feel better as a person.
Well, we just had a chance to check out Auto Detailing Austin, which offers a full interior and exterior package to make your car look like it just rolled off the lot. With a very kind and professional staff here, they want to make you feel like you're at home and give a quality of detail that's second to none to every car that comes through the door. If you're in need for some auto detailing and you want the professional touch, I definitely recommend checking out Auto Detailing Austin. This is Brandon from Big Review TV, and I'll see you next time.